Good morning everybody, welcome to day 2 of Melbourne. It's a bit of a late start today. It's what?
Very late start today. It's 10:30.
10:30, okay, well we're like, you know.
We were going to be there half an hour ago.
We were going to be at the aquarium half an hour ago. But it's a slow start. We had too much food yesterday. Erin was still recovering from her food coma. I think, you know, I'm okay with it being a bit of a slow start. We had a nice breakfast.
It was a very long day.
Yeah, yesterday was like a 20-hour day with all walking.
Yeah.
But yeah, we had breakfast, green tea and Sultana brand. I'll show you what I'm wearing for the aquarium today. So, got sandals, I forget where they're from. Got my jeans with like the embroidery flowers on and stuff. They are from Forever 21. I've got like this bralette thing that is from Valley Girl, choker from Quirky, and earrings. I think these are from La Vista. Yeah, so that's what I'm wearing. And then my backpack there from the Melbourne markets last time I came. Erin, would you like a rundown of what you're wearing?
Clothes. I don't know where any of this is from. Oh no, it's all op shop stuff because it's the only thing I can afford.
You look absolutely fabulous. All right.
Questionable, but okay.
Shall we head to the aquarium?
I've seen them.
They're our first fish of the aquarium. Do you enjoy it so far?
We're going to be here for 10 seconds.
Pardon?
We're here for 10 seconds.
Yep, we are. Ooh. Alright, Bay of Rays. Oh. Oh my god, look at this one. That one. I love aquariums. I'm so happy we're here. We can touch them. Oh, well. You should touch it.
Incredible. Truly a life-changing.
Truly a life-changing experience touching a sea star.
My first time.
Really? How are you finding your aquarium journey so far?
I'm loving the aquarium journey so far. This it looks like you're filming my shoulder or something.
I was, yeah, I was not filming you at all. So big. Oh, look how pretty that is.
Look how pretty they is.
Yeah.
Keep up, keep up, keep up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so So it is 12 o'clock now. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm just getting some wedges, and Erin's just like sitting here for the ride. You're like welcome to have some if you want.
Fill it with my water.
Fill it with your water. Do you want a banana?
No.
Yeah. No, I'm getting wedges. They're gonna fill me up, and then we're gonna have banana for a snack, and then I'm probably not gonna order anything else until like dinner, which we already have noodles at home. So that's all I'm getting today. What do you think of the aquarium so far? But a lot smaller than we thought.
It is a lot smaller. We haven't seen all of it yet, so.
That's true. The ocean tunnel bit was my favourite.
Isn't that everyone's favourite part?
I think so.
It's the best part.
Yeah. I have finished my wedges and I hated them. They were so greasy and disgusting. Not worth. Don't eat aquarium food. No, so I had a banana afterwards and I feel a little bit better after having water and like rinsing the grease out of my mouth. But moral of the story is I now feel, I don't know if it's full or if I just feel sick from eating the grease. Probably the second. So I'm probably not gonna eat until ramen tonight.
We're not doing ramen tonight.
No, the noodles. The noodles.
Oh.
Well, like home ramen.
We meant like you should go back to ramen again.
No.
I'm not sure.
No, like the ramen at home. Yeah. I mean, I'll get a donut and like go halves with you, but I may only. True. Alright, let's go.
Now this is our largest exhibit at Sea Life Melbourne. It is our 2.2 million litre oceanarium.
We have kind of just done the aquarium like a little bit again. We wanted to watch the rays, or the stingrays being fed, but they were just taking too long. Oh well.
They're behind time. We've been there for a while anyway.
Yeah, we sat there, like we sat for the tour, and then it was like 15 minutes. Or something. Yeah. All back at the Megalodon. Sure.
Good to know that I'm too tall to be in, right?
I, however, can be swallowed whole. We were trying to debate what would be better, like getting eaten in half and like pretty much being dead when you're inside, or like being swallowed alive and just like when would you die then? Would you hit the stomach? Or like suffocating on
I can't answer that question. And I reckon being bitten in half would actually be better.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Say hi, crab. Hi, crab. We're all done at the aquarium now. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little underwhelming.
It was fun.
It was good, I liked it, but for some reason I thought it was gonna be bigger.
Not huge.
Yeah.
But we don't even have one of these in Adelaide, so can't complain that much.
We did not see our picture that was taken, but we won't get to bite it anyway.
Didn't exist.
So, oh well.
They were horrible.
Yeah, maybe we look so bad they're like,
we dare say cool to
we can't even do it. Yeah. Alright, where are we heading now?
I think let's just go for a walk.
I love it.
See what it's like.
Go for a wander.
That's what we do.
Let's do it. Aaron and I bumped into like a free Vietnamese festival. A free Vietnamese festival, which is so cool. It's starting to rain a bit, so I'm gonna have to put my camera away for a bit, so sad times. Now that it stopped raining, we went to the Vietnamese festival, but it was mostly just food. But it was really cool. I want to say thank you to Erin for like taking lots of photos of me against the colored walls.
What else am I here for?
I appreciate it. Yeah, it's the only reason you're on this holiday. Take photos of me. So we were just walking and we bumped into this like Mind Body Spirit Festival, and if you register online it's free. So like, we've registered, we got a ticket, now we're going in. Should be good. It looks fun in there. It sounds fun. And it's free, which is the main thing we're going for here. So on our weekend away, it has decided to rain a lot. We're now stuck here because of the rain. Our hotel is out there somewhere, 20 minutes away, 20-minute walk away in the rain. So we're gonna just stay here until it lets up. So it's raining, we've decided to come get hot chocolates and cake at the Aroma. Here's the chocolate cake. Yeah. I'm really excited to eat this. Also, Taylor Swift is on.
Is she? I can't hear.
Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me equal. We're back at the hotel room. Dessert was amazing. We got our night supplies and we're ready for our nice fun night in at a Melbourne hotel. Let's get this party started. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Woo. And welcome to Tasha's Tarot readings. It's good. I bought some tarot cards today, specifically the Universal Prophecy ones by Julie Mackenzie from the Body, Mind, Soul Festival thing. And today I will be reading Erin's force.
My force.
Her force. So today we have a bridge set up, and I have already done like the touching and feeling and connecting with the cards. It took us like an hour.
You did.
Yeah, but I connected with all the cards. I like put my energy into them. Erin, are you ready?
I am very ready.
Alright. Card number 1 is the past. Balance. Are you doing too much? Take time to rest, rejuvenate, and find balance in all your areas of your life. A change now will build a strong foundation for your future.
So a change in my past will bring balance to my future. Good thing I can't do that because it's in the past. Oh, we're off to a wonderful start.
How do you find the tarot card reading?
I'm concerned by some of the horrible things that they say may come. Some of the things that I inevitably cannot change about my past that will apparently permanently interrupt my progression and development in the future. So overall, a bit worried.
Bit worried?
We'll have to see how accurately they reflect on my life.
Tarot card out of 10 of my reading.
Tarot card out of 10. I would give you tarot card out of 10.
How many tarot cards out of 10 would you
I would
give?
give you the Master card.
The Gold Prophecy?
Golden Prophecy out of 10.
I like it.
Yeah.